Okay, we're looking at the Flowbite design system, which is another of those design systems that are actually Tailwind or Tailwind UI, it's just unofficial. This is the demo version, but it should be pretty solid from what I see. I don't think they have, actually, I can't see if they have variables yet. It looks like they do have some variables. Yeah, this again, I'm switching between the Pro and the Live version, but it's basically Tailwind very well thought out. Not sure if these are custom made designs. They're good, nice. I like that unlike other like Tailwind CSS and Tailwind UI versions, this one is actually pretty solid. I know a lot of developers prefer it as well, but also like they put a lot of attention into details, accessibility, stuff like that. So and that's always nice to see. And based on the variables, I guess you have even more flexibility. You also have like different breakpoints. This could be a very good design system to use. And I like it that it's super clean. It doesn't have a bunch of templates and stuff that you have to clean. Again, it's super snappy and it's a good starting template for Tailwind. Yeah, I might try this on my next project.